What's up, fashionistas? It's your girl Nikki, or should I say it's me, Nikki, because I sure can change my YouTube name. But nonetheless, I'm doing a vlog. Oh my gosh, I just woke up, so don't mind that. I'm doing a vlog today. You know, it's Sunday. I haven't done a vlog in so long, and as you can see, I'm hands-free because I got this little hula mount from what's this called? Amazon. And yeah, so right now, it is 9:30. I have to be done at least by 11:30ish so that I can go. Well, let me tell you about the day. So right now I'm cleaning my bathroom, but I clean my room. I just need to vacuum it before I go. Cleaning my bathroom right now as we speak. What else? Dang. I was supposed to be doing something else, but I can't remember. Oh, I'm gonna go to the museum with my brother, but I need to go pick up some roses beforehand so I can take pictures with them. It'll be so cute. What else? Why does my voice sound so? I did just wake up. It was like 9:30, so I'm really tired. And I've been running since like 8, so yeah. What else do we need to do? We need to clean. I don't know. Oh, after that, I'm gonna go probably get something to eat, and then go out again after the fact. So just another day of being broke, because that's what it'll be in a minute. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean my bathroom real quick and go eat some breakfast and then start getting ready, because we're gotta hurry. It's already 9:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. Go ahead and start cleaning. I haven't vlogged this so long, so this is gonna be so exciting. So yeah, let me go ahead and hurry up and start cleaning before next thing I know it's 11 o'clock and I'm still in the bathroom cleaning. So yeah, let me go. Open it. What the? What in the world? I came to surprise you. What in the world? What is it? Do your work. What are you doing here? I got off work and got straight on the road. Don't make no sense. I don't know how to do my edges, so we're just gonna wing it, okay? Like, we need to get on calm. We're running late. It's 11:43. I'm supposed to leave at 2 minutes. I don't got no shoes on, so we just gonna wing it, okay? Like, we'll fix it later. We're gonna pat the edge control in the bag just in case. So we're just gonna make them lay down. That's about it, because my edges are like really long. So like this one, it would have been longer, but we cut it. We're about to cut some more. It's like literally touching my eyebrows. So we just got the wing it. And I really want to do a cute hairstyle with it, but oh gosh, sorry about the breath, y'all. I know y'all saw my best friend surprise me. So yeah, so we just try to do like a claw clip style with this, but it's not giving. Like, it's not giving. Let me see. I think the braids are just too big. the braids are just too big. Let me see. Is that cute? I don't know. It may look stupid. You know what? We're just gonna go with scrunchie. Are really cute. I don't know. Maybe I'm going with this one so I can match the color of my flowers. I just still need to go to Target to get those flowers. Let me see. This will just work. Will that work? Let me see. Okay, yeah, I really don't know how to make it, okay? They're just so thick and long, and I'm gonna just have to pay somebody to edit them in my pictures. Okay, I'll see. Okay, I'll show you my outfit in a minute. It's just a lot's been going on right now, so I'm still gonna do, let me wash my hands so I can put these on. If you haven't watched any of my TikToks, which is weird, because why are you not following me on TikTok? You know, I use my YouTube People Cleanser, and then I go with these Dr. Dennis Gross Alphabet Peeling Universal Daily Peel. I don't know why I was trying to look at this. So basically what it is, I'm trying to hurry. I'm dropping stuff. Oh my god, the floor. She's so delicious. Yes. Okay. Basically, it's just a two-step peel. I'm gonna take, oh my gosh, I'm trying to rush. I'm late. And I gotta get there by 1. I still gotta get the flowers. I gotta find my ticket. You just take it, open it up. Make sure your face is dry before you put this on. You just, ooh, that's a little burning. Just rub it all over. I do it on that too, cause I'm gonna go all around. Okay. Then you wait for 2 minutes, 2 minutes. And then I try to skip the process because it's time to dry. Skip the process, feeling yourself like really good. Then you do that, and then you just take the number 2. Oh, this is really burning today. Oh my gosh, I'm really trying to rush. I usually don't go this fast. That's why it's burning so much, but it's okay because we're gonna be fine. Okay, so, and then I will usually wait a little bit longer, which I'm gonna have to. Okay, this is a little OOTD dress. Is from Black Elephant. Y'all better go shop. Flannel is from Pretty Little Thing. Purse is from Sephora, and then I'm gonna wear these sneakers and some black slouch socks. So yeah, the dress is supposed to be longer, but I made it a little shorter just for the occasion, so yeah. Alright, so we're walking. We had to park a little further because parking was full. All these gnats, ew. That's gross. I should wear bugs or something. There's so much, but yeah, update y'all when we get there. Okay, so I'm back home and I'm going bowling with some girls. And this is the fit right now. My True Religion shirt, my size pants, and then I put on those shoes, those shoes with Telfar bag, but like, I don't know, like, I'm debating if I should wear this or should I change the pants. I don't want to keep the shirt, but I don't know about the pants. Like, is it giving IG Baddie makes 50K a night, or is it just, girl, like you work at the bowling alley? Like, come on now. Like, I don't know, like, the pants are really cute. Like, I like the pants, don't get me wrong. But is it giving, like, bad B? Like, some of my dirty mirror, this mirror gets so dirty really quickly. I just cleaned it the other day, like, literally, like, the other day, and it's dusty already. And I cleaned my room today, as y'all could tell. I mean, as y'all saw me. Well, I didn't show you cleaning my room, but, like, I did. So, yeah. There's this outfit, and then I might have another idea, but I don't know. My mom and my brother said this is cute, so if I change, I'm gonna show it. But if I don't show no other outfit, then I stuck with this. No, for real, like, what y'all think? Like, I'm gonna change. Okay, let me go look for another outfit just in case, and then, yeah, I'll come back. Okay, so all I did was change the pants. These are my Taurus Road pants, True Religion shirt, pink Tough Easy to match this, and then my shoes, I'm gonna do the black and white, so the black and the white, and the shirt, and then everything was tied together, and that's that. And then I put on I'm gonna spray on some Miss Dior to really go with the pink vibe, and yeah, so I think I like this fit better. Black on. I'm not sure if 2 Chainz had on True Religion or he just loves True Religion so much that he put in his songs. But if so, black on. So I'm going for, well, the shoes aren't going to be black on, but technically, no. Anyways, that's not the point. We getting off topic. But yeah, so I'm ready to go bowling now. So outfit of the day. Outfit of the night. Shirt, True. Oh, I just said it. So yeah, the next clip will y'all see me, bowling, okay? Period. Peace to the Middle East. Just kidding. That was everything I'm just saying right now is problematic. So we're just gonna stop it right here and just go bowling. Okay? Y'all, okay, so I know you won't be able to see them because I'm gonna be, oh, don't look at my dogs. But I know you won't be able to see them. But look at these pink socks. It's my pink Telfeezy. Oh, yeah. Mastermind. What am I? Who am I? Wendy, I think her name is.
See, I'm telling you, I have the mind of a I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but I'm so creative like that.
Mastermind, nobody's thinking like me. I don't see him, but you're not gonna be able to see him. But I need some socks to wear. Ooh, don't mind that. But I need some socks to wear with my dumb bowler shoes because ain't no way I'm wearing this regular type of thing. Okay, so yeah, so oh my gosh, that was gonna be so cute. I'm gonna do a little finished look. I get out, when I get out. Not when I get out, but like when I put my shoes and socks on, then I'm gonna show y'all the full fit. Okay? Okay. BOB, is that calling you Bob? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna have to do the video like this. This is the end. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I have to close the video like this, but it's after 12. I'm tired out of my mind. And yeah. I didn't really get that much footage because we was drinking and bowling and just having fun. And it was just living in the moment. So yeah. And then after that we just came back to my house and we talked. And we ended the night there. So yeah, I'm tired. It's 12. I gotta be up at 5. So, yeah. Good night and peace. Shh, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, don't forget to share to who? Your mommy, your daddy, your granddaddy, your aunts, your uncles, your neighbors. And yeah, I'm sorry I forgot that in the last video. I ain't gonna forget again. There go my 2 fingers and peace.